As we enter into the holiday selling season, I want to remind everyone that selling makes up for a multitude of sins. Hi, everyone. It's Rick Jones of FishBait Marketing with another Tuesday 2-minute tip. One of the things I remembered from my days as a college basketball coach is that shooting can make up for a multitude of sins. Shooting is your real get-out-of-jail-free card. If you can score with the basketball, you're probably going to be able to play, and the coach will overlook some of your other liabilities. Scoring is critical to success in basketball. Well, it's the same in business. Nothing happens in a free market society until someone sells something. And if you can sell, your other faults will probably be forgiven. Despite what some people may tell you, sales is an honorable profession. Not because you are forcing something on someone for something they don't want or need, but because you are bringing them value. You're bringing them exactly what they need. Rainmakers are critical to business success, and they're always welcome. If you can sell, you'll always have a job. Always.